Ever felt like you're talking to a digital wall? You've got a question about Gemini, maybe something's not working right, or you just need a bit of guidance, and you're left wondering, where's the human button? You're not alone. In today's hyperconnected world, getting direct support for complex AI tools like Gemini can feel like navigating a digital labyrinth. We've all been there, right? You're exploring the capabilities of this incredible AI, pushing its boundaries, and then bam, you hit a snag. Maybe it's a billing issue, a technical glitch, or perhaps you're simply trying to understand a feature that's eluding you. You search the help center, you scour the forums, and you might even try yelling at your screen. Don't worry, we've all done it. But what you really want is a direct line to someone who can provide a clear, concise answer. The truth is, understanding how to get support for cutting-edge AI like Gemini is a crucial skill in today's digital landscape. It's not just about fixing problems, it's about maximizing your potential and ensuring you can leverage these powerful tools effectively. So, how do you actually speak to Gemini support? Is there a secret hotline? A hidden chat portal? Or are we destined to wander the digital wilderness forever? Let's break it down, step by step, and illuminate the paths to getting the help you need. First, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. AI support isn't always about picking up a phone and dialing a number. The nature of AI, especially large language models, often means that initial support is focused on self-service resources. This isn't about avoiding human interaction, it's about providing scalable solutions that can address the vast majority of common issues quickly and efficiently. The first port of call should always be the official Gemini Help Center. This is your digital encyclopedia, a treasure trove of information designed to answer frequently asked questions and guide you through common troubleshooting steps. Think of it as your first line of defense. Here, you'll find articles and guides covering everything from getting started to advanced usage, billing, and technical specifications. Now, let's be realistic. Sometimes, reading through articles isn't enough. You need a direct answer, a personalized solution. This is where understanding the nuances of how support is structured becomes vital. For many users, especially those using Gemini through Google Workspace or other integrated platforms, support is often channeled through the existing support infrastructure of those platforms. If you're using Gemini as part of your Google Workspace subscription, for example, your first step should be to leverage the Google Workspace support channels. This means navigating to the Google Workspace admin console and using the built-in support tools. You'll likely encounter options for chat, email, or even phone support, depending on your subscription level and the nature of your issue. This integrated approach ensures that your support experience is seamless and consistent with the broader ecosystem you're already using. But what if you're not using Gemini through a specific platform? What if you're accessing it through a developer API or a standalone interface? In these cases, the support channels might differ. For developers working with the Gemini API, the official developer documentation and community forums are essential resources. These platforms are designed to foster collaboration and knowledge sharing, allowing developers to connect with each other and with Google engineers. The developer documentation is your comprehensive guide to the API, providing detailed information on endpoints, parameters, and best practices. The community forums, on the other hand, offer a platform for asking questions, sharing insights, and troubleshooting issues. In many cases, you'll find that your question has already been answered or that a similar issue has been resolved in the forums. This can save you valuable time and effort, allowing you to get back to building and innovating. Now, let's talk about the importance of providing detailed information when seeking support. Whether you're using a help center, a forum, or a direct support channel, the more information you provide, the better. This includes a clear description of the issue. Be specific about what you're experiencing, including any error messages or unexpected behavior. Steps to reproduce the issue. If possible, provide a step-by-step guide that allows support agents to replicate the problem. Relevant screenshots or logs, visual aids can be incredibly helpful in diagnosing issues. Your operating system and browser version. This information can help identify compatibility issues. Your Gemini version or API version. This helps support agents understand the context of your issue. Your account details. If applicable, this allows support agents to access your account and investigate your issue. Providing this level of detail not only helps support agents understand your issue more quickly, but also demonstrates that you've taken the time to troubleshoot the problem yourself. This can lead to faster and more effective resolutions. It's also important to be patient and persistent. Support teams are often dealing with a high volume of requests, and it may take some time to receive a response. However, by being clear, concise, and persistent, you can increase your chances of getting the help you need. Another often overlooked resource is the power of community. Online communities dedicated to AI and machine learning can be incredibly valuable sources of information and support. These communities are often filled with experienced users and developers who are passionate about sharing their knowledge and helping others. Platforms like Stack Overflow, Reddit, and GitHub can be invaluable for finding answers to technical questions and troubleshooting issues. You can also find dedicated forums and communities for specific AI tools and platforms, including Gemini. Engaging with these communities can not only help you find solutions to your problems, but also allow you to connect with other users and learn from their experiences. It's a way to become part of a larger network of AI enthusiasts and professionals. Furthermore, keep an eye on official Google blogs and social media channels. Google often publishes announcements and updates about Gemini, including information about new features, bug fixes, and support resources. Following these channels can help you stay informed about the latest developments and ensure that you're using the most up-to-date information. In summary, getting support for Gemini involves a multifaceted approach. It's about leveraging self-service resources, understanding the support infrastructure of the platforms you're using, engaging with community forums, and providing detailed information when seeking assistance. It's also about recognizing that AI support is an evolving landscape. As AI technology continues to advance, support channels and resources will also evolve. Staying informed and adaptable is key to navigating this dynamic environment. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Millions of users are exploring the capabilities of AI, and support resources are constantly being improved and expanded. By understanding how to access these resources, you can unlock the full potential of Gemini and overcome any challenges you may encounter. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.